we were studying waves and wavelength and frequency and amplitude. Okay, so mine looks something like that. Okay.
I could do the exact same thing.
Nice. Yeah, that's great. All they needed was a simple little tub and some water that when we can see it, it makes it so much clearer.
So when it makes the waves quicker, it makes the waves closer together.
Exactly. Perfect explanation. So we've been finding that our kids' communication skills has greatly enhanced. They're able to talk to us when they have a problem or they don't understand, and they really advocate for themselves. What do you notice about the little sign in the middle of his water? Is it moving?
Where it moved, it went back to its original spot where it originally was at the beginning.
That the kids come up with such great questions and they lead the conversation. And so I want to hear their voice as much as possible.
But I saw the short wavelength and high amplitude one best because it stopped right when it was so high.
That's great. Our families have been making learning a priority and we really appreciate them. The teaching and the learning comes, but the relationship is key, and that's the hinge that the learning depends on.